Hello and thank you for visiting my channel. I have a really simple and really fun cupcake design for you today, and here's how it went. I started by mixing both orange and pink vanilla melting candy wafers. I wanted a peach color. They don't really come in peach. After melting those in the microwave, I used a mini gem or geo heart mold and let the candies cool. And they looked really cute when they came out. I gave them some shimmer with this pearl dust in the color of shrimp, which I thought was so perfectly named. I also made some little fondant stems and leaves, and I'm very sorry I did not record the leaves. I just used a small leaf cutter for those. I'm using tip 849 to pipe the swirls with a large closed star tip. Start in the middle, squeeze a bit of buttercream out to attach it to the cupcake, and swirl around till it's fully covered, gradually reducing your pressure at the end to finish. It's exactly the same motion and pressure you'd use to pipe a rosette with a 1M or a 2D tip. And I apologize for the piping bag right in the camera there. I added each of the gem heart toppers to the cupcakes, followed by their stems and leaves to make them look like little peaches. And here I'm just brushing on a little bit of water so the leaves will stick to the toppers. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these in the comments.